Greetings of the day, dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the auto transformer, its circuit diagram, and the volt ampere rating as an auto transformer to volt ampere rating as two winding transformer, and its advantages we are going to discuss in this video. Right? If you observe, with respect to the ordinary transformer and ordinary two winding transformer and an auto transformer, here, both primary and secondary windings are electrically connected, so that a part of the winding is connected to both. Then it is known as auto transformer. How do you understand that? For example, here it is to have both primary and secondary winding like this. Observe, where I1 indicates the primary current and I2 indicates the secondary current, and V1 primary side voltage and V2 secondary side voltage. Now the current flowing in this primary winding is I1 and the current flowing in the secondary winding is I2, and in this section from B to C the current flowing will be I2 minus I1, where N1 indicates the primary turns and N2 indicates the tapped or lower voltage secondary winding. Right, in this auto transformer it is going to have lower reactance and also the lower losses and small exciting current, and it is going to have better voltage regulation compared to the two winding transformer. So the key point is here the primary and secondary windings are common to both. The primary and secondary windings are common to both. Right, next one is the, in an ordinary transformer, the transformation ratio or the transformation ratio is given by V2 by V1 equal to E2 by E1 equal to N2 by N1 equal to I1 by I2 equal to K. Right, similarly here we define one ratio, volt ampere rating as an auto transformer to volt ampere rating as a two winding transformer is given by V1 I1 whole divided by V1 minus V2 into I1. Right, now it is simply V1 by V1 minus I2. So if you further simplify, 1 divided by 1 minus V2 by V1, which is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus K. Right, coming to its advantages, because in this auto transformer there will be lot of saving in the copper requirements, and also the weight of the copper required on an auto transformer is 1 minus K times that required in an ordinary two winding transformer. That is required in an ordinary two winding transformer. So these are the important points with related to the auto transformer. Right, thank you.